Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Well, you're probably wondering why I am recording a video from my phone. Well, there's a simple answer to that. I did not bring my camera with me. This was going to be a quick trip to San Angelo, Texas, and I was going to go home and finish up another video I've been working on for a little while. That's coming out and coming out shortly, but that didn't happen. Let's discuss. Like I said, I'm in San Angelo, Texas, and I'm in my hotel room, and I am going to be stuck here for at least a week. Probably can't leave. The coldest weather in decades upon decades has started to come into Texas. And what I mean by that is it's only 20 degrees right now here in San Angelo, but it's going to be minus 1 or 2 shortly. That doesn't happen in Texas very often, especially West Texas, especially all the way down to Houston where it's going to be 9. So long story short, I can't drive home because Texas doesn't know how to take care of the roads. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that that's how it is, but that's how it is. And so this is Valentine's Day weekend. So my wonderful and beautiful wife, Dawn, I love you. I'm sorry I can't be there. She's gonna have to stick this out by herself with the pups. She's got the pups. And I'm gonna have to sit here in this stupid hotel and find something to do for a long time because we've got the big freeze that's coming tonight and tomorrow and Monday and Tuesday. And then it lets up for a little bit on Wednesday, and then we get hit again. So I had to run and go buy some supplies last night or yesterday afternoon, and I only bought a couple because I was thinking I was only going to be in here for a couple of days, like 2 days or something, and then I'd be able to get out. Now I'm a little worried that it might not be that easy. This morning, I woke up and went to go get more supplies. Let me rephrase this morning. I didn't go out and get new supplies till 11 because the roads were awful and you couldn't really drive anywhere. You still really can't drive anywhere. You can't walk anywhere. I walked out to my truck and slid while I was on skates. I was wearing Chuck Taylors. 1, Chuck Taylors do not work on ice. 2, hell, work boots don't work on ice, but they're better. Where am I? So I went to go get some supplies, and I've set them all out, and I'm looking at them, and I'm like, well, you'll survive on that. But is any of it really nutritious? The answer is no. So let's go over what Ryan thinks getting supplied up for Texas's first blizzard in like 80 years looks like. All right, so I had to go and gather food from the places I could go. These places include the convenience store and a Walgreens. So that's it, because that's the only places I could get to. Oh, and yesterday I did stop at an Academy, which is a sporting goods spot, and got some of these. These are self-heating meals, and they, you cook them in the bag. You don't need anything. And the reason I got that is because I have a fear that the electricity is going to go out during this blizzard. Hopefully it doesn't. Because if it does, I won't be able to eat these Dinty Moores. I won't be able to eat this macaroni and cheese and chunky soups. I won't be able to eat whatever that is. I'll just only be able to eat those. And these. So anyway, that's Ryan's blizzard prep. They have plenty of food in the lobby, so I'm probably just gonna eat on that stuff until I can't. I got some teas. I got some cafe. I got some beer. I got a bunch of sandwiches, pre-made sandwiches, and a Lunchable. I got this awesome mummy sleeping bag, 0 degrees. So we should be okay. If the electricity goes out and all that. Silverware. We'll just have to see what happens. I mean, all I can do is hope the electricity doesn't go out, and then I have more than enough food. If it does, I have food, I'm okay. We'll just go from here. So follow me, stay with me this whole week. It's going to be great. I'll try to edit all this crap together. Sorry it's on my phone and probably doesn't sound that great. But you want to see what it looks like right now? It's 19 degrees. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I mean, all that is ice that on this road, and obviously all that you can see in the grass is ice. There are people driving though. I was just over here where that truck is. I was just there, and he's crossing that bridge, and that bridge ain't no joke. You're gonna slide? Hey, he made it, hooray. But tonight is the beginning of the end. When I went to go get these supplies, I was sliding all over the place. You know, my shoes didn't work. Roads were okay. They weren't okay. Roads were, you could navigate on them. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted and stay tuned. Maybe I can edit this from my phone. Probably not though. I have to wait till I get home in like a week. So see you in a minute. Well, remember how I told you there was going to be a blizzard? It happened. Okay. Oh, it's only been snowing for like 30 minutes. Here's my truck. This is cray. Texas blizzard. This doesn't happen. Does not happen in Texas very often. Okay, it's cold. I'm gonna go back in now. It's 15 degrees right now. Holy cow. There's a foot of snow on the ground. Holy shit. It is deep, y'all. This is crazy. It started my truck just because. Truck. It's running. It sounds like shit though. That guy's been trying to get out of here for a while. Wow, it is really windy and it's really coming down. This is nuts. What if the power goes out? I think I'm ready. If the power goes out, I have food. I got a 0-degree sleeping bag because I panic bought it. I panic bought a lot of food and booze because I don't know what to do in a blizzard. Might have been a smart move. Look at that guy. What are you gonna do, dude? Don't turn on the bridge. Uh-oh, here it goes. Oh, he made it. Going downstairs to check to see if my car got hit by another car. Probably okay. We'll see. Well, okay. We've been hit with snow all day, and it looks like we're kind of in the eye of the storm here in San Angelo. As you can tell, it is legitimately not snowing anywhere near us after snowing for about 8 or 9 hours straight. Oh, 9 hours straight, yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Well, let's see what happens. Everyone else, stay safe. So I'm super addicted to this game called Darts of Fury, and but I haven't been playing it because I'm so addicted to it. But now that I'm stuck in a hotel, what a perfect time to play. Look, I'm on fire. Anyway, this is what I'm doing for the next week. I'm just gonna play darts. Oh, it's my turn. Well, that was terrible. It's not easy doing this and holding a phone. Oh, come on. Oh, well, at least I got one triple. Ugh. Good morning. No. 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 It's too early. I'm just going to go back to sleep. Okay. All right, I lied. I guess I have to get up. Oh, man. Ugh. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what it looks like. Hey, look at that. There's some blue sky there. Oh, the pool didn't totally freeze over. That's kind of disappointing. I was hoping for an ice skating rink. Well, Texas, you did it. You got snow. And you got a whole ton of it for the first time in forever. And it looks like the weather report says more on Wednesday. But you know what, y'all? But the flag was still there. Okay, I can't sing. But seriously, though, the flag's still there. And that's important. Should I go back outside? I mean, it was cold, but it was kind of pretty. Nah. What should I do? I should have a beer. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, though. I guess coffee it is. Ha, Golden Girls. All right. It's a marathon, too. I already talked to my friends. I've already talked to my mom. Who else have I not? Who have I not talked to? I already talked to work. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in a box. Let's look out the window again. Not a lot's changed. Ooh, that guy's gonna try to leave again. He tried to leave earlier, but he didn't make it. Oh, here he goes through the sand. Snow. Watch yourself, buddy. Well, not much has changed. Is he gonna turn around and look at me? Yep. Hi. I'm always staring out the window when he walks out. Okay. Now what? Snow day. Is it 5 o'clock yet? Why is 5 o'clock a limit? It's Sunday. It's Valentine's Day. I'm supposed to be home with my wife. But I'm stranded in a hotel. We gotta make the best of it. No, not alcohol. There's other things to do. Yeah, we'll play a game, right? 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. You're good at this. Okay, let's think of a different game. I just beat that level. I deserve a reward. No. 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 I'm saving those for a movie. It's warm. I'm pretty sure I could throw this into the wall, right? I mean, how do you do it? You throw it on the tip? I've never thrown a knife before. This looks right. It's like what they do in the movies. Hotel won't mind. No, that's probably a bad idea.
And your strength in the months and the years to come. I'll be there. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Thank you all. Tonight, there is a grand fair.
It's 5 o'clock.
Chief Maiden.
Now what do I do?
Queen of Kentucky.
I've been stuck in a hotel room for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days. And I didn't film a whole lot. First couple of days I was bored and trying to be proactive about filming stuff, but I mean, I've been depressed. I've just slept a whole bunch. There's not a lot. I mean, I can only film so much for you. Not a lot's changed. You know, it got to be -2, and we just got stuck in. Tomorrow, we're going to try to go to work if we can safely navigate to the plant. Anyway, so yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go back into work. Hopefully, and get some stuff done because I'm ready to go home, man. I've been here for almost 2 weeks, and you know, it was Valentine's Day on Sunday, and I was trapped here in this hotel. So I would like to go see my wife. Pool's still kind of frozen. There's people out there. You know, you can see there's some people at the Home Depot. So people are moving around. Well, you know, slowly but surely. Texas. I don't know if I'm going to keep filming anymore or not. I might, if stuff if there's something to film. But again, sorry I didn't bring my regular camera. I just thought I was going to be here for a couple of days and then back home, so I didn't know I was going to do a trip with Ryan. Wasn't really anything to do. This is more like stuck in a hotel with Ryan. Maybe that's what I'll call it. But we gotta go back to work in the morning, so I'm gonna watch a movie, go to bed, have fun in YouTube land. What's up? I'm still here. This is day 7. But sun's out. It's supposed to melt some snow today, so I'm running out of food. There's been no water. This has been real interesting. But anyway, let's try one of these. I've never made one of these. I had it this whole time in case the power went out. I got really lucky. The power never went out. Lost water, but no power. So the deal with this is you cook everything in this bag. Let's see. Insert food pouch into bag. Fill to line 3 to water, so I can waste one of my last bottles of water. I'm hungry, it's lunchtime. Let's see what we can do. Okay. So this is the food pouch, turkey chili. It came with a spoon and some stuff. And then this is the heating pad. So fill this with water, or no, insert this in here. Then fill it with 3 to 5 ounces of water. Dump that inside, and then seal it really quick. That's the idea. How am I going to film it with a phone? Okay, so I got to measure 3 to 5 ounces of water. Eyeball it. There's not a fill line? Oh, there's a fill line. Good, because I'm stupid. I don't have any measuring devices. I said 3 to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, 6 minutes. That thing's making a lot of noise. It says carefully remove. Well, how the fuck am I supposed to carefully remove it? It's called burning. I mean, that's hot. That's great. Ah. I think it's just still steaming. That's cool. Food's hot. Is it good? That's the question. Is it good? Is it gooder? Hey, don't hate. I ain't washed my hair in fucking 6 days or whatever. I've been in here for 7 days. 5 days. No water. No water. It smells good. Makes me want to just eat it out of the bag, but so we can see what we're dealing with, I'll pour it out into a bowl. Wow. Take a look, y'all. Chicken chili. See if it's in. It's all right. 100% edible. And it tastes like it was cooked in a bag, though. %, tastes like it was cooked in a bag. A pretty awful aftertaste. But surviving. That's what this is all about. It does taste like, that's what it is. It tastes like the bag. Yeah, if you have to eat, you have to eat. And I have to eat. Well, Signing off from day 7. Stuck in a hotel room. Later. Okay, so final update. As you can see, the sun came out. I think I told you that yesterday. And I was able to get out, drive around, and get supplies. Well, the sun's been out again all day. It got to be about noon. There's still no water in the hotel, and the plant still doesn't have water or gas. So I called my boss and asked him if I could roll out. And he said yes, so I'll just come back to this place when all that is taken care of, and I don't have to be stuck in a place with no shower and, no water and all that stuff. Going home. Yeah! I get to shave. Oh, man. So, well, that brings us to the conclusion of Ryan being stuck in a hotel for 7 days. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't videotape most of it because I was just me stuck in a place that had 4 walls. Who cares? There's only so much you can do. Until next time.